welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a Bellabox unboxing. I have not done a Bellabox unboxing video in like forever, so I thought I would do one. So this just came in the mail today. This is for January's, and let's see what I got. So you get a little card, and on the back it just has all the info and all the products and stuff that you get. Ooh, okay. All right, first thing we have is the Nude by Nature Natural Mineral Cover Radiant Loose Powder Foundation. Ooh, in light medium. Okay. Okay, ooh, oh, look at that. Comes with a little brush too. That is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. Little mini loose powder. I've never tried the loose powders before. Oh my god. So soft, you guys. It's like so soft. It's so soft. Wow. Oh, and excuse my finger. I broke a nail last night, so I'm getting my nails done this week. So yeah. Oh my gosh. I think this, yeah, I think I can, yeah, so it's in light medium C3. Okay, yeah. Cool, that is so cute. Next is, what is this? This is from Makeup Revolution. Donuts. Ah, what is this? Like, oh, this must be blush. Oh wait, it's 5 shades of intensely pigmented eyeshadows. This is Raspberry Bean. Okay. All right, let's have a look. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It feels so soft. I love donuts. Oh, let me have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh my god, I am using this tomorrow. Like, wow, look at these colors. That is so pretty. And look at that mirror. It's a good mirror. Oh, I like that. I am definitely using this palette tomorrow. Like, I'm gonna use this tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. I might actually do a whole video on this. I've never used their eyeshadows. I've used their blushes and highlighters, and their blushes, like I've got their blush on today. I don't know if you can see it. I put a little bit of it on because it's very pigmented. But yeah, so sorry, I've got my ring light plugged into my computer. I just have to make sure it doesn't turn off. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna use this tomorrow. As I said, I'm gonna have so much fun playing with these shades. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Actually, I'm so excited to use that tomorrow. Okay, next we have a Karen Moral Natural Lipstick. Cool. That's it. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty. I like the packaging. Oh. Oh, this is, I think this is a New Zealand company. Oh. In Pink Scarlet. Oh my god, look at the little swatch. Oh my god, look at that color. That is so pretty. Oh my god, I might put this on later. Actually, I might put a little bit on. Actually, no, I better not. I've got nude lipstick on, so. Oh, look. I'm definitely gonna wear this. And look how pretty the packaging is. It's so, like, it's so pretty. It really is. Wow. I really like this packaging. It's so pretty. All right, next. Revolution Professionals Color Protect Is this a shampoo or a color protection? Have a look. Revolution Professional, cannot pronounce it. Color intensifying hair cleanser. This is a hair cleanser. Okay, I've never used a hair cleanser, so let's see what it does. Color Professional is a range for colored and treated hair that creates a protective barrier to maintain color for at least 5 washes, even when stressed. Oh wow, okay. Cool. Alright. Might have to try it out. Never used a hair cleanser. Does it tell you how to use it? No. It does not tell you how to use it. I guess you just put it on your hair. I don't know if you're supposed to put it on your hair like dry or wet. I'm not sure, but I'll give it a go. Alright. Lastly, we have some sunblock. Moisturizing Sun Care Milk SPF 50 from Aqua Velvet, I think. So that's good. I'll keep that. I'll keep that in my bathroom. And lastly is just some. Ooh, okay. So I've got a $90 off your first box for HelloFresh. That's cool. I would like to try HelloFresh one day. It's not bad, $90 off. So we gotta do. Okay, cool. And this one is from New by Nature. What is this? This is to Bellabox customers. Oh! Just get 40% off when you buy their product. Cool! Use that. And that's it, you guys. That's everything in this month's Bellabox, which is for January. And yeah. So that was really good. If you're ever wondering what I do with the boxes, I keep them. Yep. I have so many of these boxes, it's not even funny. Like I have can't even tell you how many boxes of these I have. I have hundreds of these Bella boxes. I keep them because they come in handy. You can put stuff in them. You can, yeah, I've given these to my mum to use for like little gift boxes for prezzies and stuff like that. They're really, really good. And plus they're sturdy. And they look really pretty, too. So yeah, so yeah, if you're ever wondering what I do with them, I keep them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because that helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye guys, love ya.